you would be so proud of me. I achieved this. I achieved this. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I want to do something very exciting. I want to try and follow a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial.
Moisturizer, I think it is perfect to use as a base.
So first step, she's moisturizing her skin and she's using a very thick cream. I'm going to use the Börlind Day Cream.
This one by MAC. This one is called the Pro Longwear.
So now she's using foundation. She's using the MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof.
Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. I'm in the color NC15. And this was also the foundation that her makeup artist used.
And I'm using the Dior Forever Foundation with... And I'm using this foundation with the Real Technique sponge. And what I've noticed with Nikkietutorials, she is putting her foundation on her entire face, including lips, eyes, eyelids, everything. So I'm doing this too. Now she's using concealer and I'm going to use Tarte Face Shape Tape Concealer.
And of course also blending it in.
She's putting this on her entire face. Oh, it's almost empty. No. That has to be enough. Oh god, that's a lot of concealer. Sorry. Okay. Blending, blending, blending. That's the key of makeup. Now she's setting her concealer basically. And I'm using Mercier Translucent. I don't think she's baking. I think she's just setting, but...
Next to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Super
she's baking.
Skin Powder. I discovered this in New York.
Oh my god. It's a lot.
Okay, and now with MAC's Shivering White Powder, I'm going to highlight my under eye area using this.
She's using a third powder. Wait, wait. Oh my gosh. I'm just using the same powder, the Mercier, for my entire face. Okay, just setting my face. Okay. Okay. I've never used that much powder in my life. But today I want to be Nikkietutorials, so damn.
Brush that I've been really liking. It's the Sigma Bake Kabuki F89 brush, and I think it's the perfect to do my brows off camera.
So she's basically baking her under eyes, and with a different powder she's actually powdering and putting away the excess amount of powder. I'm a little bit confused, but
I'm just brushing this away. I don't know, that was too much for me. I'm just brushing this away. Brushing. And I look disgusting.
I just look old. Let's continue. We will go through this. This is okay.
And then already, I'm gonna do my brows off camera.
So for my brows, I have MAC's True Brunette Fluid Brow. with the brush from Anastasia, and I'm going to set them with the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Filler. For her eyeshadow, she's using a Morphe palette. I don't have these palettes, so I'm going to use a similar colors. And the first one looks like MAC's Brown Script, and she's using this for her crease color, so I'm doing this too.
Over to this shade right here for more.
Oh, that's too quick. That's really quick. Oh my god. So the higher the better, she said. And now she's using for a softer definition, a lighter color, and this looks similar to MAC's Wedge, so I'm using this color.
Defining that crease. We just don't want the color to be as dark and intense.
And she's concentrating this in the inner corner.
I'm using Espresso by MAC.
This kind of looks cool.
Don't be afraid to go all the way in. Hopping over to the Morphe 350
to cut the crease, and I'm using the Makeup Forever Starlit powder in the number 13. Ooh, this is messy. This is messy. Ooh. Oh yeah.
And you blinding that lid using that same shade. And also highlighting the inner corner.
Okay, now she's using eyeliner.
And then taking the darkest color from the crease again from the Morphe 350M palette and smoking it.
This looks intense.
And then we're also winging that out slightly.
This looks cool. She's doing a liner. Now,
the outer corner of that liner and kind of wing it out as well. So that is exactly.
And now she's blending the end of this liner out with a black eyeshadow.
I'm gonna go in with one of my all-time.
So the lashes are on, and now comes the most difficult part, at least for me. She puts on little cute stars under her eyes. I don't have those little stars, so I'm just improvising and using eyeliner to make two little stars. Oh my gosh, this looks bad. I'm just rolling with that. I know it looks bad, but let's move on, okay? So
Luxe contouring powder in the
contour powder. I'm using my old trusted MAC Harmony blush. So now she's using a second contour color or bronzer color, and she's using this basically instead of a blush, which I think is the best. I never wear blushes, I always use bronzer for that. So I'm using the Hoola Benefit Hoola. now it's time for highlighting, the step we are all waiting for. And she is not using only one highlighter, she is using 2 highlighters. So I'm doing this too. And for my highlighters, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Starlit powder in the number 13, which I used on my eyelids. And then for my second one, I'm using the Becca Opal highlighter, which is one of my favorite. So I'm starting with this one. So, and this Makeup Forever one is blinding. Oh, that was too much. Nikkie would be so proud of me. I achieved this. I achieved this.
For lips, you want to go for one of those classic, darker, almost Instagram nude colors.
I'm using the Nars Powermatte lip pigment in the color Get It On. And this is a very nice, dark Instagram nude.
All we need now to finish off this look is we need a spritz of setting spray. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever one, and then we're done.
I forgot my setting spray, so hold on. And that, guys, completes this video, me following a Nikkietutorials makeup tutorial. I hope you had fun. I surely did. And I really like this makeup look. I like the eyes, I like the lips. The highlighting is a little bit too much for me, and the 2 little stars, yeah, forget about them. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time. Mwah!